Welcome to my SAS course video series. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to import one Excel file and create a new SAS dataset. So I have one Excel file with the HR data, right? So many variables are there, so many fields are there, you can see, and these are the data. We have many data, like if you click here, so you can see there are 1471 rows are there, right? So now we want to import this data as a SAS dataset to my SAS system. How we can do that? So I have created one folder as a HR data. I am going to upload this particular data file, Excel file, to my HR data folder. So this is the HR data folder. So upload it. Now I am just going to assign a library lib name, permanent library, HR. I am giving the library reference as HR. So I am giving the path, copy the path from the location, right? If I am going to work in the temporary library, I don't require to create the permanent library, but it is good practice to do with the permanent library only. So I assign this library. Now I am going to this particular 7 dot to use the wizard. So new import SAS data, select, then I am selecting my folder as HR data folder, where my HR data.xls file is here. So if I'm click on HR data.xls file, right? So again, I'm going to these particular 7 dots, import a new data and select the file. And again, I'm trying to go to that particular file, right? HR data.xls. So it looks like this kind of window will appear in front of you. So we can edit this particular below window, right? So edit it. I want to create the data set in my HR library. So I will change my library reference HR, and I want to make the file name out is equals to, right, HR dot, say HR data. Now this is the file name and file reference. This is my physical file path, and proc import data file is equals to ref file dbms xls because it's Excel file. Out is equal to HR because HR my permanent library reference and HR data, and then get name is equal to vs run. So if I will run this particular file from line number 9 to line number 15, let me run it. So it is created all the 1470 rows, right? All of 10704 observations are there. So I've created my HR dataset successfully. Now if I want to see the proc contents of this particular data, that is what are the variables are there, say HR dot HR data, I can do it, HR data. Then if I run this code, then automatically it will display me the descriptor portion. I did some mistake. HR dot proc contents data is equals to HR dot HR data. There should be semicolon, right? So now let me run it. Okay, so this is the output, and I can see all the variables below, right? These are the variables. They are type of the variables, length of the variables, format and in format, as well as the label also mentioned from my Excel file. So I can work for my HR analytics program with this Excel sheet, right? So this is if I want to see the data, I can open a new window, right? I can do the proc print data is equals to HR dot HR data semicolon run. So it will run and it will display all the variables and observation in my result window. So yeah, I got it. So observation and all variables, it is showing me as a Azure dataset. So even if you go to the below libraries in my libraries and also go to Azure libraries, you created an Azure data is there. If you double click here, it will display you the SAS Studio output, right? So thank you for watching this video. I hope this will help you. If you like this video, please share and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.